Very good morning to all of you. So we have given you your syllabus of upcoming or forthcoming half yearly exam. So let's start revision from today. Okay, we are going to start lesson and question answer. Okay, in revision. So number one, expert detectives. So who is called expert detective? Chapter number 6. So two brother and sister, two siblings, Nishad and Maya called expert detective. Why Nishad? Why they keep the name the boy Nishad? Because Nishad means the seventh note of music. That's why he's called Nishad. Okay. So two brother and story of two brother and sister. Okay, and they want to inquire about one of their neighbor. Okay, name Mr. Nath. Okay, so Mr. Nath was a suspicious person for Maya. Okay, Maya the girl. They both were enjoying their holidays because it was downpour outside. Okay, it was heavy rain and flood condition. That's why traffic jam everywhere. Okay, so the children have got holiday that time. So Nishad just used to lying on the bed, but Maya was inquiring about Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath was suspicious, never of them. Okay, so Nishad wanted to friendship with Mr. Nath because he thought that Mr. Nath is living lonely. Okay, he's feeling very loneliness. That's why he's not coming outside. But Maya thought that Maya was very suspicious to Mr. Nath because she thought that Mr. Nath is like a criminal, okay, who commit any crime and he is hiding himself. He is hiding his identity. That's why he didn't come outside. Okay, no one even Mr. Nath never also didn't see Mr. Nath outside, and he didn't talk to anyone. He doesn't have any friend that time. Okay, and there is only one person who came to his house every Sunday, the spectacle person. Okay, and short and fair person didn't want to talk too much. So there was only one visitor to Mr. Nath on every Sunday. Okay, and there was a boy. Every day the boy just bring food for Mr. Nath, and Mr. Nath give the boy tip. Okay, both the children tried to inquiry about Mr. Nath. Then Nishad was in favor of Mr. Nath. Okay, he didn't want to any blame on Mr. Nath. Nishad tell that Mr. Nath came to our mom because his mother was doctor. So on his mother, okay, their mother treat Mr. Nath. Okay, and she didn't get any suspicion in Mr. Nath. Okay, so Nishad just tell to Maya that you also didn't just blame to Mr. Nath. Okay, he's an all right person. He wanted Nishad just came to his house 2 times. One time he go for giving chocolate. Okay, because Mr. Nath looks thin. Okay, he thought that maybe Mr. Nath he had no food. Okay, he was suffering from misery. But Maya just tell that if he is a miser, okay, he is poor, he is facing poverty, so why he gave tip to the boy, okay, delivery boy. So that's why lots of question are there. Okay, and Mr. Nath had a cut like mark on his face. So Maya told maybe he had meet any encounter with the police while he was escaping from any stealing or theft. So that's why. And he didn't go outside, he didn't come outside because maybe he was criminal. So she thought like that. But Nishad was always in favor. Okay, and Nishad also was ready to help in investigating about Mr. Nath. So he wanted to help to Maya, but he just tell one thing: you didn't call Mr. Nath as a crook, so I will help you. Then second time he went to Mr. Nath for marble. Okay, for taking his marble. So like that the story revolve around Mr. Nath, Maya, and Nishad. So the both brother and sister called expert detectives. Okay, and they were inquiring about Mr. Nath, and they just collected all the information about Mr. Nath. Okay, and Maya was against Mr. Nath. Okay, she had collected many clues. Okay, and she thought maybe the person was indulging in any criminal activities. Okay, but Nishad was in favor of Mr. Nath. He wanted to make friendship with him, and he thought that maybe the person is suffering from loneliness. Okay, so like that the story revolve around it. We have question answer. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath? So Nishad gave Mr. Nath a chocolate bar. Okay, because Mr. Nath looked like a thin person. Maybe he had no he cannot afford things. Okay, so that's why he wanted to help Mr. Nath. Okay, what is strange about Mr. Nath Sunday? So every Sunday a particular person came to meet Mr. Nath. Okay, the person wore just spectacles and a short and fair person. Okay, it was. So same visitor came every day. Okay, and the visitor had lunch. Okay, with Mr. Nath. Then next, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? So it was downpour outside. There was a situation of flood everywhere. Everywhere there was traffic jam. So that's why the children have got holiday at home. Okay, and they were spending their time to their house. Then if we talk about chapter practice question answer, why Maya called Nishad 7? Because why Maya called Nishad 7? Because Nishad is this 7 note of music. That's why she just called him 7. Name the narrator in the lesson. Maya, expert detective. Who was the narrator? Maya. Okay. Then according to Maya, what was the cause behind Mr. Nath? Scars like sign. So it was the sign of scar, cut like sign. Maybe he had meet any encounter with the police while he was trying to escape from somewhere. Okay, so what did Mr. Nath thought Nishad had come to his place second time? So Nishad was there for second time to get his marble. He thought that. Okay, in search of marble. How was Nishad spending his unexpected holiday? So he used to lying on the bed all the time. Like that he spent. What was the condition on which Nishad said he will cooperate with Maya? So the condition applied that he just tell to Maya that you didn't call him a crook. Okay, so I will help you. Then if we talk about short answer, what made Nishad turn sympathetic towards Mr. Nath? So when Nishad saw that the person is living alone, and when his mother confirmed that Mr. Nath, there is nothing suspicious in Mr. Nath. Okay, and he was living alone and he had no company. Okay, and he was a good person to give a tip every day to delivery boy. So that's why he wanted to friendship with him. He was in favor of. Okay, give a brief description about Mr. Nath visitor. So the visitor, if we talk about the visitor, so a spectacle person. Okay, fair and stout man. Okay, so and the person came every Sunday to share lunch. Okay, to share lunch with him. Okay, so the person share lunch with Mr. Nath on every Sunday. Okay, then what was Maya doing on her unexpected holiday? So they had unexpected holiday. They didn't think for that. So Maya spent her holiday in investigation on Mr. Nath. Okay, she was collecting all the inquiries about Mr. Nath in her holidays. Okay, what did Maya think about Mr. Nath visitor? So the visitor also, so she thought that the visitor had come every Sunday. So the visitor also involved in theft or any criminal activity. That's why he wanted his share. So that's why he came on every Sunday to get his share from Mr. Nath for spending. Okay, so enough question answer for this lesson. Okay, so if we talk about the invention of Vita Wonk. Okay, so we understand about this lesson. No? There was a factory owner, Mr. Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka wanted to make a drink. Okay, and he just introduced a drink, Wonka White. Okay, and the drink was useful for turning the age of the people, to make the people young. Okay, but it gave the side effect, and it was decreasing or deducting person's age. It started deduction in age. Maybe the age would go in minus. So that's why he wanted to make another drink to make people old, to turn the people's age old. First he made Wonka White to turn people's age young, to turn people young. Then when it gets failure, because the age would go in minus, so then second time he wanted to make another drink, okay, to turn people old, okay. And he started collecting many things, many ancient things, okay. He had a glass elevator, so by using of glass elevator he wanted to collect all the rarest thing from the world, in the world, okay, like pine tree, 4,000 years old pine tree, okay. We have given some ratio, 4,000 years old pine tree, then 160 years old Russian farmer's toenail, okay. Then 200 years old tortoise shell, okay, egg, then 51 years old horse tail, okay. So like that he wanted to collect all the rarest thing in from the world, okay. So he used the glass elevator, then he had collected and he started his invention. So he just made a cup of soup, and there was a person, Ompa Lompa. Ompa Lompa was a volunteer and social person, social reformer like. So he wanted to test on Ompa Lompa. Ompa Lompa age was 20 years old. So when Ompa Lompa had this drink, okay, so the Ompa Lompa started turning, okay, old, and then he was 75 years old, okay. His teeth all fall down and hair also. So he was looking like 75. So Mr. Willy Wonka was very happy to see his invention, okay. So it was about this lesson. And if we talk about the question answer, so what tree does Mr. Wonka mention? Okay, if we talk about the tree, so the tree was the tree mentioned in this lesson: fir, oak, kedar, okay, and pine tree. Leaves longest, okay, long lasting, okay, leaves longest. Then if we talk about how long does this the tree alive, where you find it, so it was the pine tree, okay. And over 4,000 years, and one can find, okay. Mr. Willy Wonka found 4,000 years old pine tree, okay. And if we want to get this tree, so where we can go? We can go to United States, okay. Nevada, Nevada, it was the place. Why does Mr. Wonka collect item from the oldest thing? Okay, so he wanted to make the another drink, okay, to make people old. That's why he wanted to apply second invention, and then he needs to collect all the rarest thing in the world, okay. So then what happened to the volunteer? So the volunteer Ompa Lompa was 20 years old, then he turned to 75 years old, okay. His hair fell down, his teeth also fell down, okay. Then if we talk about chapter 8 practice question, so we'll see, according to Charlie, what leaps the longest? So Charlie was the person who arranged everything, okay, and who was there with, who was the assistant of the scientist Willy Wonka. So according to Charlie, what lives the longest? So according to Charlie, the tree lives longest, okay, especially pine tree. What was the unique about the great glass elevator? So the great glass elevator can travel across the world, okay. Then whose neck bones were collected by Willy Wonka? So he collected the neck bones of 700 years old Grimalkin, okay, that lived in cab, okay. Where did the old flea collected Mr. Willy Wonka? So he collected a flea from cat, okay, in cat's skin, in cat fur, from the cat fur. 36-year-old cat's fur, okay, gave him flea. What was special about the Arabian horse? So the Arabian horse, if we talk about the Arabian horse, lived for 5 years, okay, 5 years, lived for 5 years, which is quite unusual for any normal horse, okay. He had spent 5 years, okay. Then Mr. Willy Wonka collected whose toenail? So Mr. Willy Wonka collected a Russian farmer, 168 years old Russian farmer's toenail, okay. So it was about 2 lessons revision, okay. You should learn everything, and I had given you writing section notice, then what name, article, everything like that, article, story, para. I had given you in study material. Check study material and learn properly. Thank you.